कर दे।
Now we are going to explain the concept of misting. By pressurizing water up to 1000 psi and forcing it through a specially designed nozzle, billions of tiny water droplets can be created. Each droplet is smaller than the size of a grain of salt and can measure as small as 5 microns in diameter. The droplets are so light they actually suspend themselves in the air. Now we're going to make you understand the concept of misting. By pressurizing water up to 1000 psi and forcing it through a specially designed nozzle, billions of tiny water droplets can be created. Each droplet is smaller than the size of a grain of salt and can measure as small as 5 microns in diameter. The droplets are so light they actually suspend themselves in the air. This process, known as a mist system, allows for a reduction in ambient temperature of up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, making these systems ideal for outdoor cooling. The benefits of a misting system are: the oppressive heat of summer is a matter of great inconvenience. Now we will explain the benefits of misting. The oppressive heat of summer is a matter of great inconvenience for many. Misting is a proven way to combat and bring down the temperature and add moisture to the dry air at the same time. The important fact is you are cooling the outdoors where air conditioning is not feasible. A correctly installed quality mist systems allows you to enjoy your garden and patio even on the hottest day. Now we'll analyze how to apply it. If you're looking for a way to cool your balcony, garden, office, patio, greenhouse, livestock, restaurant or bar effectively, then you should consider getting our outdoor misting system. Low pressure misting system. The biggest advantage of low pressure misting system is that they are very inexpensive and very easy to install. They all use your existing water pressure from your faucet without the need for a misting pump to create mist, and you are not required to buy any further gadgets. Our misting system is a perfect way to cool your balcony, garden, office, patio, greenhouse, livestock, restaurant or bar effectively. The biggest advantage of low pressure misting line system is that they are very inexpensive and very easy to install. They all use your existing water pressure from your faucet without the need for a misting pump to create mist, and you are not required to buy any further gadgets. Now we'll show you the different parts of a low pressure misting system. Before we start installing our low pressure misting system, we have to make sure that the water tank is at a height, because the water flows from a top level to a low level. Our misting systems comes with a 20-meter black pipe, and it also includes nozzles with fine hole which breaks water into million of parts. It comes with a end cap and a connector. The main component of a misting system is the pump for creating pressure for water particles. Inside the pump, we have a small black box which is a timer. So you can set the timer according to your own choice, which would determine how soon you want the misting to go on and off. Then it includes a orange pipe which is known as a suction pipe. It also has a black pipe which is known as an overflow pipe, which pumps out extra water to flow back to the tank. Now we'll explain you the different parts of our pump. The black box, like explained before, is a timer. It has two buttons. The one would determine how much mist you want per second or for how much time. The second would determine the gap between each mist. The silver pipes are overflow and inflow pipes. This is an inflow and this is an over. Now we will explain you the different parts of our pump. The little black box is a timer for our misting system, which determines how much time each mist would go on for. On the side of the pump, there is an overflow point. Beside that, there is a pump which has a pressure gauge and an output. There are also two filters which clean the water through inflow and outflow. We will demonstrate the fixing of a misting system. The pipe has to be connected to the overflow point and screwed tightly. The overflow pipe has to be put in the water bucket, and then the orange suction pipe has to be fixed in the inflow outlet.
Mine will say measure the distance and cut. Measure approximately 1 meter and cut.
Now we have to measure approximately 1 meter and cut in between. And then we have to fix the nozzles on the pipe. Then again we have to cut it in 1 meter and fix another nozzle. How many would this make? Where's one? Now we'll show you how to connect the nozzle to our pump. After the nozzle is connected to the pump, the fixing is finished. After the nozzle is fixed to the pipe, we'll show you how to put the clamps at a height you wish to. Now the system is ready to be used. You can fix the timer as per your requirement.
इधर आ जाओ आप।